Good evening, everyone. This is Rohit from TradeSmart Online. We welcome you all in our today's webinar, which is on the topic Sign Web. If everyone can hear my voice, please type yes on the chat window. If everyone can hear my voice, please type yes on the chat window. So let's get started with today's webinar, which is on the topic of Sign Web. So this is a Sign Web. The URL for this website is sign.tradesmartonline.in. When you go onto this link, you will get a login page like this. In this, first you have to enter your user ID, which starts from Y. If you have forgot your password, or you have forgot your question answers, or you want to unblock your account, the, these three features are given below. For example, if I have forgot my password, I have to just click on forgot password, enter my client code, which starts from Y, my registered email ID, my PAN card number, and submit. As soon as I click on submit, the new set of computer generated password will be sent to my registered email ID. If anyone has queries regarding these three options, please type in the chat window. Okay, since everyone is clear till here, let us start with logging in process. Here you have to enter your client ID, which starts from Y, for example. Then click on validate. As soon as I click on validate, you have to enter your login password. Then select the image given below and click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, you have to enter your two question answers for security purpose, and then click on submit. As we click on submit, we are automatically directed to a home page of SignWeb, which comprises basically gives me an overview of my dashboard, indices, Nifty 50, Sensex, Nifty Bank, USD INR, watch list, the major indices. And if you go below, you will get market movers, bulk deal, block deal, etc. If anyone has any queries regarding this homepage, please type it on the chat window. Or if anyone is clear, please type go on so that we can proceed with the further features of SignWeb. Okay, since no one has any doubts till over here, let us start with further features of Sign Web Base. So this is a home tab. Now the first thing is we create a watch list by clicking on watch list. In order to create a watch list, we have to click over here, edit option, enter the watch list name, for example, ABCD, click on plus sign, a new watch list is created. We can check our newly created watch list by clicking over here. Now, as the watch list is created, now we want to add scripts in the watch list. In order to add the scripts, you have to click on plus sign. Here, the exchange NSE, BSC, MCX, instrument equity, future stock, future index, future currency, option stock, option index, option currency. Let us take example of SBI. You have to search SBI and select SBI EQ and click on add sign and select the watch list. Click on plus sign. The stock will be added in your watch list. Now let us come to the important thing, which is buying and selling. For example, I want to buy SBI. I will just click on SBI. I will get the option T, Q, three lines, add script and delete. In order to trade, I will click on T, buy, because I want to buy the stock, enter the quantity which I want to buy, select the price at limit or market, product type. Basically, we have three product type: CNC for holdings, MIS for intraday, and NRML for futures and options. In this case, as SBI is in equity, I will select CNC. Then click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, I will get a confirmation page. I will click OK over here. I will automatically be directed to the order book. Here we can see our order SBI. The status is rejected as the market is closed for now. If it isn't, if it the order isn't open, you can modify your order, cancel. If anyone has any doubts till now, please type it on the chat window. Now this is our order book. The next is trade book. If I click on trade book, I will be able to see all my completed orders. Then is the position tab. If I have any intraday position, I can go in position tab, square off my position or convert. You get an option of square off and converting your position. Then holdings. Here you will be able to see all your holdings which you have bought. You can add or sell directly from here also. And then there is limit. In this limit, you will be able to see your payout amount if you have made any payout today, your opening balance, your pay in amount if you have made any fund transfer, your booked PNL, which is your intraday position which you have squared off, and your net available balance, which is your balance available for trading. And if you have commodity account also, you can click on all and select commodity in order to know the commodity balance. Anyone has any doubts till now? Please type it on the chat window. Okay, since everyone is clear, let's move on. Here you get three more options. First one, let us take Payne. If you click on Payne, you will be automatically directed to our Atom Gateway page. Here you have to select the segment in which you want to transfer funds, example, equity. Select your bank from which you want to transfer and enter the amount and click on enter. As soon as you click on enter, you will automatically be directed to your net banking page. From there, you can transfer the funds and within seconds, you will receive your funds in your trading account. Second one is payout. Suppose I want to withdraw any amount from my trading account to bank account. I have to just click on payout, select the segment for which I want to do payout, for example, equity, select the bank, enter the amount and click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, my payout request is processed. And if you want to know the payout schedule, you can click over here and you will get an idea as to when you will get the amount in your bank account. And in case if you urgently want to do any trade and the script is not added into your watch list, you can click on search. Suppose I want to deal in future index, select future index, enter Nifty December and click on Q to get the snap code. Here you will get the depth, top 5 buyers, top 5 sellers, high, low, resistance, support. And if I click on T, the buy sell window will open again and I can place my trades from here. And if you are technical analyst and you want to see the graphs, you can also see the graphs from here by clicking over here. In this, you have an option to select 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30-minute candle. Example, I will take 5-minute candle. Then here are the different types of charts which are available. In studies, I can add any indicators which I want. For example, I will add super trend. Now the indicators are saved, and if I want the open, high, low, close of per every candle, I can just place the cursor over here and the open, high, low, close will appear. And suppose I want to save these settings, whichever indicators I have placed for all the scripts, you can click on view, click on plus save, enter any name, and click on save. My settings will be saved. If anyone has any queries regarding charts, please type it on the chat window. Okay, since everyone is clear with this, we'll move on with the session. If anyone has any queries regarding this whole webinar, you can type it on the chat window. Watch list, buying, selling order, charts, anything. Just type it on the chat window. Okay, since everyone is clear with the sine web, we will be ending today's webinar. And if you have any queries or feedback, like as to you want any webinar in future, kindly mail us at support@vnsfin.com.